When we talk in English or we write something in English, most frequently we use some determiners which are very small but super significant words in English language. Can you guess about which words I am talking? Yes, these determiners are articles. Hello, this is the very first video on English grammar lessons from BlissVibes Learning English. I hope this tutorial video will be useful for those who are working on their English grammar. Articles are truly important part in speaking English. Using incorrect articles makes your sentence peculiar or puzzling. In this tutorial video, we will focus on some specific rules so that our English learners can use articles confidently and accurately. So, let's start with the basics first. Let's clear out the basics of indefinite article. We use a with a noun beginning with consonant sound. For example, a student, a book, a zebra. But an honest man, an honorary secretary, an honorarium. In all these words, H is sounded like a vowel, though H is not a vowel. We use an with noun beginning with vowel sound. For example, an aeroplane, an igloo, an umbrella. But a uniform, a university, a European. In all these words, initial vowels are pronounced like ya, which is a consonant sound. O in one is pronounced like a consonant sound wa. That's why we use a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed boy, though O is not a consonant. Now let's concentrate on some specific rules of using indefinite article. Number 1, to talk about something for the first time. For example, we watched a movie last night. The movie was amazing. So first time I use a movie, second time for further information I use the movie. Next, when reader or listener is not sure about which thing or person is mentioned in the sentence. For example, I was looking for a book in the book fair but I couldn't get it. I have said a book. I have not specified for which book I was looking. Before names of professions. For example, she is an architect. Her mother is a university lecturer. She doesn't want to be an accountant. She wants to be a nurse. In all these sentences, architect, lecturer, accountant, nurse are names of professions. That's why we use indefinite article. In exclamation with what plus countable noun. What a lovely movie. What a cold day. What a useful video. In all these sentences, movie, day, video are countable noun. If the noun would be uncountable, we couldn't use any article. For example, what lovely weather, not what a lovely weather. If you say what a lovely weather, it would be wrong because weather is not a countable noun, it's uncountable noun. To show that the person or thing is a representative of a class. For example, a fox is a clever animal. Here in this sentence, a fox means all the foxes are clever. A rose has thorns. A rose here means any rose or all the roses. Before names of unknown person or stranger. A Miss Joshi has joined as principal of the school. A Mr. Sawant is waiting outside. Does anyone know him? In these sentences, Miss Joshi or Mr. Sawant are unknown person or stranger to the listener and speaker. Before proper noun to describe another person or thing. For example, one of my friends was Lata Mangeshkar in our school. One of my friends was a Lata Mangeshkar in our school. So according to our judgment, that friend sings beautifully like Lata Mangeshkar. That's why we called her Lata Mangeshkar. His father was a Hitler. Don't try to manage him. learned some specific and important rules regarding the usage of indefinite article. I hope from now onwards you can use indefinite article properly. Keep practicing and remember, next video will be about definite article the. Stay with us and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.